So when my work is being plagiarized blatantly in front of my eyes, I know it. And then mind you, months after Ludi dropped, my video Bebe, which was at 6 million views, went viral by itself, got deleted from the internet.
Happy holidays! Merry, 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 merry Christmas! What did I know chocolate to me? Listen, happy holidays!
I'm so happy that a nigga Cartel mentioned Romeich and how he stole the song Ludi. Meanwhile, Bebe dropped months before Ludi. Ludi was plagiarized. The music video, everything is the same. From the dancers to the bike scene to the rude girl in the ghetto and even the animation of that Cartel on the wall. Right? But when I was talking about it years ago in 2016, everybody was like, oh my God, she's a hater. No, I was not. I write my own script. I have a degree in mass communications. I write my own shit. So when my work is being plagiarized blatantly in front of my eyes, I know it. And then mind you, months after Ludi dropped, my video Bebe, which was at 6 million views, went viral by itself, got deleted from the internet twice. And I spent tens of thousands of dollars on that video. You can't play with God's children, Romeich. Okay? Ludi, I had Gates of Heaven and I had Bebe by the same person. Dwayne Menz from Blazing FM booked Shensia before he even booked me, your friend. Dwayne Menz, do you know him? All against poor little old Mon Cherie before I even started being this bitch online. Burn in hell.
You just a true double six like Lodi. That is what you're doing with your body. And when you wine pretty girl, it drove me. Girl, I wanna take you to a move. When my rifle deals, why have you dropped down? Shell down in ends and cut, left them now, wait till the cops come.
Christmas! What did I know chocolate to me? Listen, happy holidays!
what the selector is saying, is it?
And you hear me talk about my father, whether I'm angry or I'm happy. But you hear me talk about Vibes Cartel, whether I'm angry or I'm happy. Don't have nothing to say. Wanna see how my father deal with the two lunatic them where each up back at him every day or him shame them for me. Now you see how Cartel deal with Romeich, Romeich I should say. Wanna ever see Cartel come out, come this nobody blatantly so yet. But I want to know where is big belly Romeich now. Oh, me not see him jump on him live and say him a book Cartel and cook Cartel. And Cartel this him up on the interview. But I mean, you know, I ramp it. I swear to God, any one of them boy ramp it, me not them and them family something wrong. Me hear Cartel this him blatantly now. Big belly T-boy. And no.
Shell down immense and cut left them now be till the cops come.
Oh, you have to turn on your phone. And this is Gaza boss. Remember me I knew world boss. Oh, me not hear you come say you go book Cartel and cook Cartel. And me if you have strength for me. Remember people. I know who Cartel them I work with now. I don't know who Movado them I work with now. You know why them still have to always have respect for foot hype? When them a boss, when them never rich. And me a the selector will do it for them in a dance. Remember Scratchy be a CD me used to make and thing. I remember them time there, if you're reaching at the prime time a dance all you have to cross over, no matter where you live. You see me, no matter where you live in a Jamaica, you have to cross over in a Kingston. You understand me I say? Yeah man. Oh, me not hear the big shit belly pampas belly boy. Come say I go book Cartel and cook Cartel. Remember when me talk about it the next morning him jump out, brawling, put on him brassiere and him bustier and come out quick. A trace like a and oh him make man book me see Cartel this the people them ask Cartel but Cartel say I didn't even dopey that, I puppy that. They man this is wicked. Come out, come talk your man, you know. Make us see if you're bad. Make us see if you're really bad. Look at pressure take care and run will disappear off the internet. Go on like you're a bad man. I mean no you're not a bad man from nowhere. I want to hear. See Cartel this you know what you have to say. Turn on your phone now. And when you're hide you can turn on your phone. And better we see Mark still come answer me and answer Cartel.
Let's had Grandma saw his spirit this morning.
I started praying and I started singing. But while I was singing and praying, I find everybody getting cold. So I said, no, something is wrong. Because the night is not cold and it's 5:35. So while I was singing, after I finished praying, I started singing, I get up. I'm going to open the front door, the hall door. But when I opened the hall door outside, it was looking very dark. But I keep looking around at the yard because I feel cold and all and all. So I keep looking around the yard. But when I look straight out, I must say car was. Because I parked right in front of the gate. I'm a camera system. When I looked straight out the gate, he was standing, leaning on the car with his other phone like this. Looking straight into the hall because the hall door was open. The grill gate to the veranda was not open. It had a lock. So when I see him, went towards the grill gate and I opened it. But I opened, normally we just open one side of the gate. But I opened the two sides wide like this. And when I opened the two sides wide like this, I went out to the front gate now. We stand outside and I opened the front gate wide. Me alone out there, nobody not out there with me. 4:45. Nobody was not out there with me at that time. I just open the gate, I said, boy, I see you. Come in the yard. And in there you live, I'm in a quarrel with you. You know, do nothing wrong. Come in. Me know what you did, but me not run you out. Come in. And me turn back and go straight in the kitchen. Take up a cup of water and drink a cup of water. And when me turn around back behind me, I don't see him. Don't see him, I don't feel afraid, I don't feel no way, but I don't see him. This morning, 4:45.
He was coming to visit you.
Huh?
He was coming to visit you.
Yeah, but him race him come home.
The only know Gabel care. Pop skull don't try to fear. The rifle and the near. Boss it, my love you from my heart, I really would. You see it? Go on. R.I.P. to all I fallen soldier them. How me a me say first thing me a flick out of my life and tell them for some mama. You understand? But we just want to know you them bro. We don't want to lose no more the icon them. Leave the icon them out of it. The icon them are just normal people. Them probably go upon them live and them probably say certain things but they don't mean it. You understand? Some of them people, yeah, bro, them they in a field where them have to prove themselves. TikTok is a place where them have to prove themselves, Chargy. Them have to go over TikTok and them have to say things where they don't mean. Because every day on us dirty TikTok they over the bone and jack down on one head and who are this and who are that and who own this and really and truly we don't own shit. Because Bill Gates them a look for we and a laugh at them control them social media and them thing and them want to see. So we don't own nothing at all in the world, bro. I want to understand so we don't own nothing. What is a daily compared to a Lamborghini? We appreciate you them we can own it, but we just want to know say if you can own a GLA, you can own way more in a life, bro. You understand? And just protect on yourself, you. Love some of the arguments, some of the unnecessary argument. We are. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bless upon yourself until we drop the next video. I'm out. When my guys will be, why have you dropped down?